Hey everyone, welcome to Flutter University. From your first app to complex projects, we guide you step by step. We have one simple mission, making Flutter easy for everyone to learn. So let me give you a brief tour of how Flutter University works. So once you type in flutteruniversity.gitbook.io, you will end up on this page, and here you can learn more about our vision and mission. And there we have given you 100 days of Flutter challenge as well. It is under progress right now. It will take you from a zero to intermediate level if you are just starting to learn Flutter. And if you are a seasoned developer who have developed multiple stuffs in Flutter, then you can follow our guided tutorials on UI or full stack, or maybe integrating Flutter with blockchain and AI/ML. And I would highly recommend you to join the community of learner, because we share the same enthusiasm and passion, and it will really elevate your journey of learning Flutter. So now let's start with Flutter. If you're a beginner, then you can just select on basics, and here you will end up on basics of Flutter. So first of all, you can know Dart basics, then you can set up, install, and choose whatever you want to. These tutorials are designed in a way that if you know a previous one, then only you can jump onto the next one. So make sure, if you're just starting to learn Flutter, then complete these tutorials step by step. So if you are done with the basics, then you can jump on to the more intermediate stuff, like deeper into Dart, asynchronous programming and stuff, and that's how you can level up. So if you see the way these tutorials are designed, so first of all it will explain, for example, let's just take an example of networking. Okay, so first of all it will explain you what is networking and what packages are used for networking in Flutter. And this is a guided tutorial. First of all you will see, then at you will get a complete example code along with its result as well, so how it's going to look. And once you are done with this guided tutorial, it will give you or provide you some assignments as well. So we would highly recommend you to complete these assignments in order to get hold of Flutter. So these are especially designed for you to practice hands-on rather than watching some tutorial videos or reading some articles. So that's why make sure that you complete all of the assignments. Once that is done, you can move on to the professional part, learn more about CI/CD, let's say, native integrations, accessibility and localizations and more. In few days from now, we're gonna start releasing tutorials as well, where you can learn more about the how to integrate full stack with Flutter. For example, integrating the AppWrite database or Supabase or AWS Amplify with Flutter, or GraphQL, REST, WebSockets, WebRTC. So here we are going to create very interesting stuff. So we would highly recommend you to join our community of learners and keep your learning journey of learning Flutter going. So I'm super excited.